Hello everybody and welcome back. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. It'll take you 1 second. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're going to deal with floating numbers and how to format them, how to shorten them and how to lengthen them. So let's start, shall we? So let's create our first function. Define enter float number. Okay, so entry 1 is equal to float, and when we enter a floating number or a decimal number here, we have to always use float. And input, and what we're going to do is here type a message for the user, enter long decimal number. Okay, so we're going to enter a long decimal number in there. Okay, right, and now we're going to use the print to print out the information. Something like will shorten number. Okay, and we're going to do some curly brace brackets here, and we're going to shorten the number to 1, so that's going to be 1 and F here, and then we'll just close those brackets, put a little dot here, and then format. Whoops, made a mistake there. You need to do that. You're supposed to do that there. Okay. Format. Okay. And then we're going to format entry 1, what we entered into it. So that's going to be entry 1. It's going to be format there. Okay, so now we're going to create another function. Enter float number 2. Okay, so we're going to create this function just below here, and again that's going to be called enter float number 2. Enter float number 2. So I'm going to call this entry 2, again is equal to float, and then what we're going to do is we're going float and input. Okay, and then we're going to ask the user to place a short decimal number in there, so enter short decimal number. Okay, so just going to enter a short decimal number in there. Okay, and then we're going to print out the results, and that's going to be will lengthen the number. Okay, so lengthen the number, and again curly braces, colon, dot, and how long should we make it? Should we make it an extra 8 numbers? Yeah, why not? So that's going to be 8F there. Okay, and we'll just do that. Dot format, and that's going to be entry 2. Okay, right, all that remains now is to call the function. So we're going to call it enter float number. Okay, just save it here, and now we're going to run the program. Oh dear, made a little bit of a mistake here. Okay guys, made a little bit of a typo in there, so it should be float. Okay, let's just save that. Enter long decimal 5.888. Okay, there we go. We'll shorten the number 59. Okay, let's just run the program again. Okay, enter a long decimal 3.123. Okay, let's just enter that. We'll shorten the number to 4. Okay, enter a short decimal 1.9. We'll lengthen the number to 1, 9, and look at all those zeros there. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.